So there's also a situation here where we can have changed the middle value b. This value in the middle we'll call big B. And as we change the big B, we're going to get either 0, 1, or 2 solutions. So we do the same thing, except in this case, our equation is going to look like this. B squared, and I'll do it for red, I'll do it in B squared minus 4 times A times C is less than 0 is going to give us 0 solutions. And so B squared plus 12, what's this going to be? Plus 20. No, it is 12, and so plus 60 is less than 0. Well, in this case here, we cannot have 0 solutions, looks like. Just double check I did my work properly. So negative b squared, so that's going to be, b squared minus 4 times a, yeah, that's a, times c. So that's going to give me positive 60. So in this case, b squared plus 60 can never be less than 0. So this is not possible. So it looks like this is always going to give us a solution. Okay, there's always going to be a solution. So 0 solutions is not possible. And this is 0 solutions. Okay, so let's take a look at the one solution situation. Well, one solution is going to be when we had, oops, I should have done this in purple, but this is going to be my one solution situation. B squared minus 4 times negative 3 times 5 is equal to 0. So again, this will not be equal to 0. So b squared plus 60 is never equal to 0. Therefore, one solution is not possible. Okay, and we don't really need to do the analysis for the last part, but I'm just going to, for completeness, we know that this is always going to be, we know that b squared plus 60 is always going to be equal to 0 for all values of b. So two solutions for all values of b. Okay, so in this case, any value of b will keep this discriminant bigger than 0. That means we have plus minus square root of some number. Therefore, we'll always have two solutions for this graph. So if we take a look at the animation that in the next video, you'll see that as I change b, the number of solutions they'll always cross the x-axis no matter how I change the b value.